I've got an itch I can't scratch, I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round, welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head constantly, thoughts jumbled round, think I need a new lobotomy. Wait, all these thoughts are too negative, I don't wanna get lost in the sedative. Gotta show them what I got, I'm competitive. You know I'm about to go off, I won't let them win. I'll take a stab, I wanna chase a bag, I wanna weigh, I can change all the things I lack. I gotta face the facts, I got a taste in that. Got me obsessed with the rest, I got an itch to scratch. I'll give up everything.
I just wanna be a better person, I deserve this, I just wanna break these chains. Possessing for greatness, true to myself, I never fake it. See no many boys, I just wanna get famous. And when I say the truth, most really can't take it. In spite of everything I've been through, I'ma make it. Fake fans, but on my downfall is toxic. Day one, started the outlaws for profit. All I do is write verses, no talking. All I do is put the work in, no option. This was everything I ever wanted. Created a legacy off of me, just being honest. The fake ones hate, but it's all to no avail. They wanna see me lose, but you know I never fail.
But I don't want that cheap fame, no I'm not that vain. I just wanna be greatness. I just wanna be great, I can see my dream. I just wanna be greatness. I just wanna be great. Wanna read a motherfucker in this fucking world like me. I give up everything. If I can see my dreams, my psyche, cause say you love me, you wanna taste me. Take the loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend. Everything that you see is something I invent, and it's only a percent. I'm gonna take shots, if I miss all, forget it. I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up, always stand tall, don't sweat it. I never back up, I don't miss a thing or regret it. I'm always learning, you could call me academic. I'm always working, never been apathetic. Bad energy is like a poison, needs some antiseptic.